Hello, dear friend. Today we will learn about a very important cinematic hype plugin for DaVinci Resolve. This is a very important plugin, totally free. And as a bonus tips, today I will teach you about this plugin in this tutorial, how to use this plugin and make a very effective intro, outro in your video anywhere you can use. And this plugin will make your video editing so very effective, very professional. You can use this for your professional work, dear friend. Just as a promotion, I got this plugin, and I thought that I will share this plugin with you today in front of you on the in the desktop. We will learn how to use this plugin in our video clip, dear friend. Don't skip any steps. All steps are very important. Go through all steps, learned, and once you learned, this plugin will be very effective for you. You can do a lot of things in this plugin, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channels. It motivates me a lot, dear friend. Without wasting time, let's jump into the DaVinci Resolve. Hello, dear friend. We are now in DaVinci Resolve here. You see, we are now in the interface inside DaVinci Resolve. Today, we will learn how to download this cinematic title for DaVinci Resolve free. This is the free plugin, as I have told you in the intro video. This is a very fantastic free, and I just got as a promotion, and that's why this will be a bonus class for you. In this class, you will get a free plugin, which will save you a lot of time. This plugin will make your clip and video editing very effective. For this plugin, we come to our Gmail here because we have, you see, there we are now in the email address here. This is our email address. Here we have plugin. You see, this is a plugin actually. This plugin is cinematic hype title. You see, you can see here download. This is a video editor studio. Provides a lot of plugin for DaVinci Resolve 18, 19 and all versions. But these plugins is totally free. In the last tutorial, I have already told you how we can download the starter pack from the same video editor studio plugin company, and that is very fantastic. If you haven't followed that class, learn, go, and you will get a lots of free plugin which will make your video editing so effective. Here you see this here. When you come here, it will, here you can get the bulk. Here you see this is in the bulk available. If you want to pay for, this is now paid version, so we will download only free versions of one plugin, and that will work for a lot. We come here to our mail just, and we will click here. You see here, we will click here. You see it has downloaded our file. This is actually our file, cinematic hype plugin. We will come here. You see in the last class, I have already unzipped here. You see this is a zip file, and you have to also just click here. You see I have duplicate, so I delete here because we don't need. We have already this. I have already downloaded. So we will click here, and you can extract from here. Extract all. When you extract all, you will get this. You see cinematic hype sample VDS. We will get this use sample. It's also good, and we just click here. You see. And now we have, you see, two things very important. Two things are very important: font and cinematic hype. We will come to font here. You see font, and you have to click here. This is actually font, and here you have to install. I have already installed, so it will replace you. Do you want to replace it? Yes, no problem. If you haven't downloaded first time, it will give you the option to download. You will click yes. You see now installing. It has already installed this font because we need this font to run this free plugin. We will come here. You see cinematic hype. Actually, this is the plugin we will use for our DaVinci Resolve. We will just click here to type. Now you see it will open in our DaVinci Resolve here. You see here. I have already downloaded. So when you will be the first time, so it will here to download. You have to click here. I will just click override. It will override, no problem. Now it has, you see, it has. This is our tutorial from last tutorial about bulk grape uninstaller. We will use this plugin here. I want to try just in front of you how it looks. We will come to our title here. Actually, you will come here, effect. This is media pool, and click. You will come to effect. This is effect, and because this is the title, so we'll come here already. Their title. Click here, and you have to come down. You have to cinematic, because this is a cinematic. Because I have a lot of plugins, so I will just type here cinematic. You can type if you don't find, because I have lots of plugin here. You see, this is cinematic. Actually, this is our plugin. Now I will just click. You see how it will be in this way. It will be visible. We will just click here, and I will put here. For example, I want to show you how we can use in our video. I want to maximize because it will be convenient. In this way, it will appear. Our background is white. I will come here, and you can change. You see size. For example, if we will come here, and there are various texts. You see text 1, text 2, text 3. This is a text 4. This you see text 1, text 2, text 3, text 4. There are 4 text, and from here you can take background. First, we will take. For example, this is cinematic. You can add in your tutorial class or for client work. For example, white. This is white mirror. I will write VS plugin, because this is name is VS plugin. VS3 plugin. This is a VS3 plugin. We can change from color here because we have a there. We can take a red color. This color, okay. We can change color. You can give border to your color here. You see, like in this beautiful. You can add from here border outline. You can add. We will learn in that text to class. We don't need know. We will just simple we will learn. You see here, text plus we have class. If you have to learn about, if you know, go to our playlist there, and you will learn how to use this. And you see now we have this plugin. We just take outline here, and you can change position from here. You see, you can make size bigger, smaller in this way. I will take this size. You see X, Y, up, down. I want to take here. You see here I will put this. Okay, anytime if you want, you can change like this. Okay, so we come to text to here. This is, you see, directed by here. We can take anything. Tutorial, we will add tutorial because this is our tutorial. We will change color from here. I take this color, and we can come to third text here. This is third step. Our channel is resolve for you. We will write resolve for you. See, VS free plugin. For in this way you can make your own text for will come. You see here Jack, here Peterson, here Peterson Paul. In this way you can change any person name. Change Rakesh. My name is Rakesh, so I will change here to Rakesh. I will change this color. Like you see here, you see in this way you can change the color. Okay, so here you can Peterson, you can delete if you don't want this. If you delete it will not remain here. You see, Rakesh, I will add this class, something like this class. I will change this color. You see in this way you can add every. You see here in the same way you will come and change. You can change font from here. You can size. You have to explore one by one. Class will be longer. You know, if you want more about in detail, please write in the comment box. If this class is helpful to you, dear friend, if it please subscribe the channels. Your one subscription gives me a lot of motivation to make more tutorial for you, dear friend. If I don't see any suggestion, subscription, like, comment, it actually disappoints me a lot. One subscription harms you nothing, but it helps me a lot to grow on YouTube, dear friend. It matters for me a lot. Yeah, that's why please subscribe and share. You see, we in this way we can change Lisa. In this way, you will change and make a beautiful like this using this free plugin. And we come here. When you come here, there are lots of settings here. Here you setting you can write comment, and they will improve according to your comment here. And this tutorial we have come with this text. There are various texts. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can adjust it according to yourself. It is the work of plugin to make your life better, smoother. You know, such plugin, if you make yourself, it takes a lot of time, but here so easily you can adjust here. Background will come. Actually, this is the point here. Background, you can change background from here. You see in this way, any color you can take background here. Here you see this color. I can take this color. Yes, this color I can. Here you can change the opacity you can change like this. You see, like in this way you can make such an effect on your introductory class. You can add this tutorial. You see in this way you can even keyframing. You can add keyframing. It will be like this. And for example, when this here I will make like this. You see, when our video will come here, we will come here, we will add keyframing. You see this diamond point, we will start keyframing from here. We will decrease, you see, opacity. There you see, directly decrease. When our video will come here, we will add keyframing and we will decrease opacity. You can, in this way, you can manipulate yourself this plugin, because plugin means it's auxiliary features which you can manipulate and make more according to your satisfaction. You see, when our video will come here, we will make video will here, and we will make this, you know, background come here. You see background. We will make it 0 on default. No, it isn't default. We play and see the effect now. For example, we start. You are welcome to solve for you. In this we will learn about a very good, very important uninstaller. Ultimately, I found the best uninstallers 1 day ago, and this is one of the best uninstaller and better than the pad Revo uninstallers, CC cleaners, and other uninstallers I have used. And it's you see, in this way you can add the keyframing in the letters. You can make very beautiful. And when you are not satisfied, you come to big letters here. Use VS plugin, and here we can add like this. We can add like this outline here. It will be more like transparent outline, and we can use this in intro class actually. Just we come here and we can add like this here. You see, in this way intro class you can add beautiful intro class. You can make like this intro of your video, any promotion. You can use it as promotion from here. It's so beautiful. You can make more record. For example, I don't know what's your name, write in the comment. I will add here actually. We come here, tutorial, resolve, class, poll. For example, I want to poll, write here please. Here we can write like subscribe. Subscribe, you see. So in this way you can use this plugin for your tutorial, for any lesson, for your promotion, for video editing. This is actually free. I will give this link in the comment box, dear friend. Use this plugin. It's a very good plugin. You see, I have already so beautiful. Anything you can change, outline, you know, from all settings are available here. Hello, dear friend. Today we have just finished this how to use this cinematic. You see, cinematic hype sample plugins. You will get this the description box, this link, and go and this is free, totally free, and download to your DaVinci Resolve. You have already learned how to download and add this plugin to your system and how you can use. Don't forget to subscribe. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more tutorial for you. Subscribe, share these channels to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial, and write comment in the comment box how you will use, how you have used this PES free plugin, cinematic hype sample plugins, and write me feedback and suggest me which type of tutorial do you want, dear friends. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.